The world we live in right now is very advanced and futuristic, but with the advancements comes the demerits. There are thousands of daily use materials that contain carcinogenic agents in them. Carcinogenic agents are substances that cause the disease cancer. In this video, I will be explaining you about the most common carcinogens and about some medically proven tips to prevent cancer. The main purpose of this video is to raise awareness amongst people about this deadly disease. Starting with carcinogens. Tobacco. It doesn't matter whether you're a smoker or breathing in someone else's smoke, at least 70 chemicals in tobacco are known to cause cancer by damaging your DNA. Asbestos. The tough tiny fibers in asbestos help strengthen products like roof shingles, ceiling tiles and car parts. Yet, if these fibers break free and you breathe them in, they can get lodged inside your lungs. Crispy brown food. When some vegetables like potatoes are heated to high temperatures, they can give off a chemical called acrylamide. Studies show that rats who took in acrylamide in their drinking water got cancer. So researchers think humans might also. Acrylamide is also found in many products you buy as well as in tobacco smoke. Formaldehyde. From plywood to some fabrics, this chemical is used in many household products. Studies on lab rats and people who are around formaldehyde at their jobs show it can cause cancer. UV rays. Studies show that ultraviolet rays, whether from the sun or a tanning bed, gets absorbed into your skin and damages the cells there. Most skin cancer cases are due to UV rays. Alcohol. The more alcohol you drink, the greater your odds of getting certain kinds of cancer, such as head and neck cancer, esophageal cancer, breast cancer, liver cancer, colorectal cancer. One reason for this may be carcinogenic chemicals produced when beer, wine and hard liquor are made. Processed meat. Bacon, salami, pepperoni, sausage. Any meat that's been preserved or flavored can raise your chances of getting colon cancer. Experts reach that view by looking at more than 800 studies. Try to limit foods that have been salted, fermented, cured or smoked. Engine exhaust. Trucks, buses, trains and even some cars run on diesel fuel. The gas and soot in diesel engines exhausts are believed to cause lung cancer and other types of cancer. Now, here are 7 solutions to prevent cancer. Number 1. Don't use tobacco. Number 2. Eat a healthy diet. Eat plenty of vegetable and fruits, drink plenty of water, limit eating processed meat or refrigerated meat. Number 3. Maintain a healthy weight and be physically active. Number 4. Protect yourselves from the sun. Avoid midday sun, stay in shade, don't skimp on sunscreen. Number 5. Get vaccinated for hepatitis B and human papilloma virus. Number 6. Avoid risky behaviors like practice safe sex and don't share needles. Finally, number 7. Get regular medical checkups. Cancer is a deadly disease and the cure for it is still not been discovered. But let's remember, prevention is always better than cure. Thank you.